Fly away, my friend, to your country. You travel, and I follow you.
You are free, and I am the son of free people. Not everyone who is carried by the wind flies away.
The free are free and cannot be caught. No hunter can catch them. And you walk the paths of the cauldrons. Why are you traveling, my friend? From the sweetness of an authentic out, its sweetness does not leave the peace of your hand in mine. My friend, do not delay your repentance. We walk the paths of generosity,
frightened in the darkness.
Fly, my friend. Fly, my friend. True Sultan, sweet ooh, hold on to the ruby. Its metal is pure. I am the one who loves to tell stories. And I say, oh night, oh coffee, oh pure, where are your lands? I will come to you. Mix it with Saudi, Cambodian, and Kulani. Only the pure drink the pure. We are the stars, we are the eagles in the middle of a forest with 1,000 traders. We are the awe of God. Walk, walk, night, night.
Don't boast about them, boast about us. Our hearts are not black, but we forget our ears on a day. Night.
No useful companions. We are counted in this world by God. We have lost people and God is generous, and we do not count our losses, my friend. Night, oh night. Friendship is a promise, and a promise is a debt, and only a man can fulfill a debt. Take care of yourself. They are all hypocrites, and they play with life.
Okay, okay, night, oh night.
Sustenance is not up to us. Sustenance is up to God, my friend. And humans are treacherous by nature, and they lose us by nature, traitors. But time is treacherous. We inherited stubbornness and character, and confidence in ourselves. Our manhood is a science in our monastery, and yours a damn gloomy time night.
There is no good in it.
We do not fear monsters, Father.
Live it with pride and dignity. We are the raw material that never changes. Our metal is free as diamonds. Good company lasts like mountains. The pillars from a charming kind. He tells stories, and a son of the country, a true sultan, a free bird.
Oh charming one, walk the paths of the cauldron. Gawe the free man, genuine clothes, genuine wear, and whoever is good in origin is good indeed. For only good fruit comes from good roots, and if you drink honey from the